Hi guys, welcome to Links YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to work with sort command in Linux. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is sort command and its use cases. So basically sort command is a tool for sorting the files and contents and printing the result in standard output. Reordering a file's content numerically or alphabetically and arranging information in ascending or descending order for improves readability. By default, the sort command sorts the file assuming that the contents are in ASCII code. Using options in the sort command, we can also sort in numerical order also. So let's start the lab session and we'll also see how it is useful for Linux administrator. Okay. So as you can see that currently I'm using RHEL 9 and this is my Linux terminal. So let me show you the release version first of all. Cat etc red hat release. See, this is 9.0. It's RHEL 9 machine. So before start the lab session, let's try to understand the sort command syntax first. So the sort command has the following syntax: sort, then we have to give the option, then we can give the file name, whatever the file name we are using. Okay, so running the sort command without any option output the files contains and applies the default sorting rules for the current location. So default sorting rules, like by default it's sorted in ascending alphabetically or numerical order. So more option we can grab it from the sort --help command, or we have the option like sort --help. All options are available here, all helps are there, or we can also go with the man page SORT. So you can find out more information related to this particular command. Okay, so let's start with some very important examples. So I have a file named first.txt. Look at that. So here I have mentioned few words in random order like apple, fish, cat, goat, dog, ball and elephants. Okay, so now you can see that these are not in alphabetical order. So if I run the sort command without any option, let's see what happens. Say sort and the file name. In my case this is first.txt. Look at that. So you can see that by default it is sorted in ascending order, alphabetically order, like A to Z. See, apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, F, G. So this is in the alphabetical order. If you want to see the reverse order, you can just use -R option. It will show in reverse order. Look at that. Now god, fish, elephant, dog, cat, apple and ball. Okay, so moving to the next option. See, earlier changes was in temporary format. If I open the original one, you can see that the changes it's in temporary format, right? So if you want to make it permanent, we can go with the -O option. So using the -O option, working functionality is the same as redirecting the output to a file in Linux environment. So what we will do, we will say sort -O the any new file name, DAEMO, demo file. I say the demo file and my original file name, that is first.txt. Okay, so now you can see that here I have another file which is demo.file and this is the permanent entry. So we can see that our sorted output stored permanently in file which is demo_file in my case. Okay, so now move to the next option. Suppose we want to sort on the basis of numerical order, then we can use -N option. This option is used to sort the file in numerical database present inside the file. So let's see the another file with the numerical order. So I have a file second.txt. Here I have mentioned some number which is in random orders like 50, 39, 15, 89 and 200. So now if I use -N, let's see what happened in the output. So I can say sort -N. Look at that. You can see that now the number are set in proper order. Similarly, if I can use -NR for reverse order, just like earlier we have done that. So this is how you can use for sorting the order in the numerical base. Similarly, let's take another example which is very important, which is -K. So Unix provide the feature of sorting a table on the basis of any column number base by using -K option. So use the -K option to sort a certain column. For example, just like -K2. K2 means to sort on the second column. So let's take the another example for this file, cat third.txt. So here I have another file which is third.txt. Here I have a file where I have some alpha and numerical word in a column format like manager, clerk, employee, peon, director and guard, and here's the some like numbers, or employee code ID, you can say that. So here I have put up some entries in alphabetical order as well as numerical order. So now I can sort out the output of this file on the basis of first column or second column using -k option. So what I will do, I say sort -k1. So what does it mean? See, C D E F G H P, something like that. So clerk, director, employer, guard, these are in the alphabetical sorting. And similarly, if I go with the -k2, look at that. If I'm talking about K2 means the second column. So see that 3000, 4, 4, 5, 500, 6000 and 900, 1000. So this is how you can just sort it out the output on the basis of -k option. So let's take the other example of which is -c. So -c option is used to check a file content have already been sorted out or not. If the contents are already sorted, then there is no output from the sort command. However, when sort finds any unsorted line, it outputs a message reporting that the line is out of place. So let's take the example of my fourth file. Look at that. So here Red Hat Fedora SUSE. Okay, so you can see that the file content are not sorted out. Now I can use sort-c and let's say sort-c. You can see that the result says fourth.txt second disorder Fedora, and it shows me Fedora is in disorder. So here we can easily identify and check that it is in order format or not. Similarly, we have the one more important option, which is -u. So this is the used for sort and remove duplicate lines in the given file. So let me add one more duplicate entry in the same file. So I open fourth.txt and I add one more Red Hat entry. So now if I say cat fourth.txt, I just added Red Hat word 2 times in the first line and the fourth line. Okay, so now I can use -u. I can go with sort -u or -u. See that? So this is how I can remove the duplicacy using the sort command. And let's take one more example, which is or one more option, you can say that, which is -m. So capital M option is used to sorting by month name. So this will write a sorted list to the sorted output order by month names. For example, if I run ls-l command, the very common command in Linux. So if I run the ls-l command, I can see the random month based output. Look at that. Jan, then October, then Jan, October, September, October and Jan, or June. So similarly, I can use the -m option for the sorted out this output on the month basis. So how can I do that? ls-l, then I use pipe symbol, sort capital M K6. K6. 6 means 6 column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this 6 column. Look at that. Now June, then September, then October. So you can see that the proper month based sorting order, right? Similarly, we have one more which is very important, that is, you can say -t option. And T is very important. So T is basically used for specifying a delimiter. So sort separate a file in line using space or tab as a field delimiter. So specify the -t option to the change the field delimiter to a different character. So I have a file where content are separated through comma. So comma acting as a field separator here. So let me show you the file content first. Look at that, the fifth file. So you can see that comma acting as a field separator here. Ram, comma, is, comma, good, comma, by, comma, something like that. Okay, so now I can use -t for sorting the field on the basis of comma delimiter for particular fifth number of columns. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I'm talking about the fifth number of column. So how can I do that? Sort -t, then I can say delimiter is comma -nk fifth and the file name fifth.txt. So look at that. Now it is in proper order: 15, 20, 35 and 40. So you can see that the output which is sorted out on the basis of comma delimiter. So guys, this is how you can work with the sort command in Linux. And apart of these options, there are many useful options are available in the sort documentation. So here I demonstrate few important options which are very useful for day-to-day work for the Linux administration. For more information, you can refer to the man documentation, man SORT. Right, so see, all options are here and you can go through one by one. So finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media links, and which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.